Hello students, hope you are all doing fine. In the previous sessions we discussed about how to find the transpose of a matrix. Today we have a new concept called determinant of a matrix. Let us see how to find determinant for a 2 by 2 as well as 3 by 3 matrix. Let us say you have matrix A, B, C, D. The determinant of this matrix is AD minus BC. This value AD minus BC is called determinant. Similarly, for a 3 by 3 matrix, let us say you have like this A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J. You have something like this. Then the determinant of this matrix is sum of product of elements of the first row with their cofactors. Now, what is this cofactors and all? We'll discuss while we are doing the problem. You will understand what is a cofactor. Now, let us observe some problems based on determinants. Find the determinants of the following matrices. First one, 2, 1, 1 minus 5. This is the first matrix for which you have to find the determinant. So determinant is AD minus, let A is equal to 2, 1, 1 minus 5. Determinant of A is 2 into minus 5 minus 1 into 1, which is minus 10 minus 1, which is minus 11. So determinant of this matrix is minus 11. Let us take the next matrix. I 0, 0 minus I. Now determinant of, let A is equal to I 0, 0 minus I. Determinant of this matrix is AD minus BC. So you have det A is equal to I into minus I minus 0, which is minus I square. Minus I square is minus 1. So you have 1 as the determinant of this matrix. Let us check the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Third one, 1, 4, 2, 2 minus 1, 4, minus 3, 7, 6. Let us find the determinant of this matrix. So first consider B is equal to, we are giving a name to this B as B. Let B is equal to 1, 4, 2. 2 minus 1, 4, minus 3, 7, 6. Right, plus, minus, plus. Now, first of all you have to write plus, minus, plus here. Then 1 into, close this column, close this row, you have to do AD minus BC. That is minus 6, minus 28. Minus 4 into, close this column, close this row. 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, 12 minus of minus 12, plus 2 into, close this column, close this row, 2 7s are 14, 14 minus 3, this is what you have. So this is nothing but minus 34, minus 4 into 24, plus 2 into 11, minus 34, minus 96, plus 22. Now 34 minus 22, that will give you 12. So minus 12 minus 96, that is equal to minus 108. So minus 108 is the determinant of this matrix. Let us check the determinant of some more 3 by 3 matrices. Next one is AHG HBF GFC. First consider AHG HBF GFC. First you need to write plus minus plus. Let this be B. Determinant of B is equal to A into BC minus F square minus H into HC minus GF. Close this column, close this row. HC minus GF plus G into, close this column, close this row. HF minus BG. This is what you have. Multiply ABC minus AF square minus H square C plus HGF plus HGF minus BG square. So here you have ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus CH square minus BG square. This is what you have as the determinant. Now, I'll give you a problem for homework. Try it out. Find the determinant of ABC, BCA, CAB. You have to find the determinant of this matrix. Let us discuss another matrix. Fifth one, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So this can be written as 149, 4 9 16, 9 16 25. This is what you have. Put plus minus plus. Now let us call this as, let A is equal to matrix 1 4 9 4 9 16 9 16 25. We have to find determinant of A, that is 1 4 9 4 9 16 9 16 25. Put plus minus plus. So that will be that will be 1 into 9 into 25 minus 16 into 16 minus 4 into, close this column, close this row, 4 into 25 minus 9 into 16 plus 9 into 4 into 16 minus 9 into 9. This is what you have. So this is nothing but 225 minus 256 minus 4 into 100 minus 144 plus 9 into 64 minus 81. So this is nothing but, this is minus 31 plus 4 in, minus 4 into minus 44 plus 9 into minus 17. So minus 31 plus 176 minus 153. 176 minus 31, that will give you 140. 176 minus 31, 5, 4, 1, 145. So that will give us 145 minus 153, which is minus 8. So minus 8 is the answer for this. We shall do one more problem. Sixth one, if A is equal to 100, 234, 5 minus 6x and determinant of A is equal to 45, in that case you have to find x. Now given A is equal to 100, 234, 5 minus 6 x. Now determinant of A is 1 into 3x plus 24 plus minus 0 into, close this row, close this column, close this row, 2x minus 20 plus 0 into, close this column, close this row, minus 12 minus 15, that is equal to 3x plus 24 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 3x plus 24. Det A, given det A is equal to 45, that is 3x plus 24 is equal to 45. 3x is equal to 45 minus 24. 3x equal to 21. X equal to 21 by 3. X equal to 7. Therefore, x value is 7. That's all for today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.